Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. So this is today's makeup look, and if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Hello everybody, so I did a thing. I'm a blueberry now. I was debating whether I wanted purple again or change it up to orange, but then I realized that everyone has orange hair, at least here where I live. Almost every woman has orange hair, so I was like, you know what, I don't want to do that. So I decided on blue. But let me tell you something about this blue. This blue bleeds a lot. And when I mean a lot, I mean it bleeds everywhere and it lingers. Because my pillowcase is blue on both sides by now. My hands are still stained and it's been a while. It ruined my nails. My neck is constantly blue. My ears are constantly blue. Even though I washed them and cleaned them, they just turned blue again. So I'm not happy about that. I didn't know this blue was gonna bleed so much, but my gosh, it's too much. It's too much. I'm trying to keep my cool about it, but I know myself, and if that continues a lot, then I'm gonna get rid of it, even though I like the color. But anyway, I was searching what colors complement blue. So what came up was like oranges, yellows, and reds. And I decided to do my makeup look using those colors to see if it's true and if it goes well with the hair, with the blue hair. So I have a palette here that I'll be using by Ace Beaute, which I haven't used in a little bit. This is the Ambiance palette. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and use some of those yellows and oranges and this color down here, which is like a wine color, very beautiful, and some of the shimmers. So I'm gonna start with my eyes first. So I'm gonna add like a little white base to it. I'm using Gerald Cosmetics white base, and just add that a little bit on my eyelids. So yeah, let me know how have you been. Just gonna add a little bit of this on both eyes. Then I like to tap the edges with my finger. So I'm gonna use that yellow shade down here called Delightful and put that all over. Let me get my little Jason mirror I haven't used in a while. And yeah, it's April. Crazy, right? How this year is going by so freaking fast. I'm not surprised though. Every year seems like it's moving faster and faster. And I really want summer to pass by quickly, so I'm not mad at it. Some people are saying, I'm ready for spring. I'm saying, I'm ready for fall. I'm gonna do that to both eyes. Now I'm gonna take this orange up here, and I'll be using this orange more on the crease and in the outer corner, and just below that yellow shade. So I was super excited about Lita Cosmetics' new palette. I think it's called Black Spring or something like that. Can't remember the name. It's something like that. I was this close to buying it because it's beautiful. But my pocket said, no, don't get it. And I gotta listen to my pocket. But it's truly, truly gorgeous. I've been pretty good of not buying eyeshadow palettes in a while, but that one hurt. Okay, something like that. And now in the outer corner, I'm gonna add this gorgeous color, which is my favorite from this palette. It's very, very beautiful. Just over here and not a lot. Just to get a little depth over here and a little lift in my outer corner. Look how beautiful that color is. It's so pretty. I'm gonna add my NYX glitter primer on my eyelids because I want to put 2 of those shimmers in my eyes and I want them to stay put. In the inner corner, like the first half of my lids. I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm not gonna use no brush. I'm going in first with this one. Put that in the middle, and then this one in the inner corner. Which, I mean, look how stunning that orange is. I'm not a sucker for orange, but this one is very metallic. And I think it's very, very pretty. And then the lighter one in the inner part. Beautiful. Okay, for foundation, I'm using the Infallible by L'Oreal. The 425 is the shade. And I'm gonna use this one pump here, one over here, and use my sponge because this is definitely my absolute favorite from the drugstore until up to now. I haven't found any other drugstore foundation that I love more than this one. I always go back to it because it's that good. It feels like high-end, but it's not. You could find it at Walmart. That's where I usually get it. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. This is in shade Light. Absolutely love this one. If you've been here a while, you know that I've used this so many times and I already hit pan again. That's the only problem with this powder. It brings very little. Constantly have to be buying it, but it's that good. Look at that. I'm gonna go in back with the palette to finish the lower lash line, and I'm gonna take the yellow again and the same brush. It's pretty big, but it's all right. It's just yellow. Put it really close down here, and then add a little bit of the orange with a smaller brush, and that's it. Then again with the same orange that I used before, way smaller brush. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna add some eyeliner, my mascara, and I'll be right back. A little blush by Lunar Beauty. Going in with this shade up here. I love that one. It's a soft peach. I'm gonna use this highlighter by Glamlight. It's the Ghost Face highlighter palette to highlight my brow bone. I know a lot of people say that's not in anymore, but I don't care. I still like doing that. It's just, it feels like it's complete when I do that. I'm also gonna add that in the inner corner, a little bit on the contour of my nose, down here, and in the bridge area up here between the eyes, a little bit here. Okay, so for my lips, I use the NYX Fat Oil. This is in shade Mist Call. I love these from NYX. They're so hydrating. And I love that color. So this is the final look. What do you think? This is what Google picked out for me. So if you're curious about color matching, not color matching, but what complements what color, then just Google it and it'll let you know. It'll show you the wheel and it will let you know precisely which colors goes with whatever you're trying to match it with. I thought it was fun. I mean, you could wear whatever you want to wear, whatever color combo you like, that doesn't matter. I just thought it would be fun to see what it would recommend, and this is it. And I think it looks pretty well together. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. So I am ready to go to Marshall's because that's going to be my next video. I haven't done a walkthrough in Marshall's in a while, so I'm assuming they put up new stuff. So that's going to be my next video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future uploads, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.